So many people have issues with their Fire Stick remote. They have issues with the Fire Stick remote. They think it's broken, it's not working anymore. And we have shown you how to fix that and how to resync it. I'm going to show you that in a second. But also, when that happens, I had a fair few comments. After all that, Alexa still isn't working. So I'm going to show you how to fix that as well. Brilliant. So before we get started, if you're brand new here, do hit that follow button no matter what platform you're watching on. Hit that subscribe if it's on YouTube. Brilliant. Check out my Twitter account as well, because we've got some great promos on there at the moment and some great things you might want to see. But what we did a little while ago, great pause frame, was a video regarding how to reset and fix your Fire Stick remote. And obviously this video picked up nearly 160,000 views. Very popular search term. People are really looking on how to pick it up, how to fix it, things like that. And people were really happy with the video, which is great. But there was many issues with, once they fixed their remote, the Alexa button wasn't working. So, first of all, if anyone's looking to fix their remote and reconnect it, all that sort of stuff, I'll link that video in the pinned comment and straight underneath if you're watching on YouTube, okay? If you're not watching on YouTube, come find us and you'll find where that link is for the great video on how to fix your remote. But what happens is, you reconnect it, you reset the whole remote, and then your Alexa isn't working. So what you need to do, so what will happen is, your remote will work, but you can hold down the blue button, like I am, and nothing happens, okay? So what you need to do is reconnect it. So once your remote is working, so you've got navigation, you need to go to your settings. You then need to go to remotes and Bluetooth devices. In here, you go to Amazon Fire TV remotes, and then you want to add a new remote, okay? So from beginning again, that was all the way to your settings, remotes and Bluetooth devices, Amazon Fire TV remotes, add new remote. And what you do then is hold down the home button. Tricky because this one's already paired. You hold down that home button while it's searching and it will discover it, and then you get your Alexa back. Does that make sense? Hopefully that makes sense. So you hold down your home button, and then after that, the Alexa button will work again, okay? Depending on what sort of remote you're using, you might get a few other options in there. Some remotes you can use, some remotes you can change, some remotes you have options on. But obviously, as you can see, I've got no list of remotes here, so I can only add a new one because I reset this one, okay? And once it's paired, hopefully that will fix your Alexa thing. If anyone has any issues with that, go back to this video we done initially, which again is linked underneath. Brilliant. Real quick video tonight. Hopefully that was a good one for you. We got loads coming over this weekend, so thank you all for watching. If you're brand new here, hit that follow button. Regular watchers, do let me know if you got a notification. As always, anybody who's after a VPN, do check out our partner linked underneath as well for you. Brilliant. So I've been Doc Squiffy. Thank you all for watching. Check out all my social medias, and I'll see you soon.